Layton is 12 weeks old in one day. He's such a big boy. Look how big you are, Layton. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi, sweetheart. Layton, no crying. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at how big you are. You're a big boy. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. You waving? Hi. Hello. Oh, yeah, tell me. Talk to me a little bit. Go ahead. Tell Mama. You tell her. Tell Mommy how much you love her. How much you love Mommy and Daddy. Yeah. How much? How much do you love us, huh? Wanna tell me? I love you. Mommy loves you. Yeah, here's your monkey. Say hi, monkey. Are you trying to sit up? Are you trying to sit up like a big boy? Are you a big boy? Huh? Are you a big boy? Say hi. Hi. Layton's 12 weeks old. Oh, it's okay. Mommy loves you.